Okay, I think we're ready. Can you believe how long it took me to thread that thing? That's what happens when you have the tripod in your way and you don't want to be in the shot. Alright, restored Singer 1591 gear driven machine, size 14 needle, Tex 40 thread. I can see I'm not in my last thread guide here. Okay, now we're all good to go. I start with a paper towel just to show that you can do fine fabrics on the machine and it won't be a problem. And then we've got some veg tan leather. This is about the thickness of a quarter, a 25-cent piece, not a 1/4 inch on a ruler, a quarter, a coin. I always bury the needle. That gives the machine a chance to cycle all the way up before it has to drive through the material again. I'll go ahead and cut this off. This is actually a pretty nice looking machine. The decals are in good condition. It's always nice to get a machine that looks good, but I'm not really about cosmetics that much. I'd rather have the machine run really well and be easy to sew with and have a few scrapes and scratches on it, actually. That's 2 layers of edge tan leather. I do take this complete assembly off, take all these pieces apart, clean them, put it back together. This plate comes off, gets cleaned up, put back together. Isn't that funny? I just talked about how cosmetics don't matter, but you do want this assembly clean. You don't want things sticky in here, and that's just the way it is. More so, I'm not worried about if some of these decals are worn off on the machine. I don't really look at that when I buy these. I'm more looking at no missing parts. I don't mind if I have to rebuild the motor. They should be rewired anyway. You're looking at a machine that's 50 years old. If you're buying one that hasn't had the motor cleaned up and rewired, well, you might be good for a while, but you know, you kind of take your chances. You might get a good one. You might get one that's going to need work on it right away. This is going to be some denim. People always ask me about blue jeans. They want to be able to work on this heavy, where the blue jeans come together like this. This is just the pocket area off of Levi's. I guess it'd be the same off of any brand, but, and you can sew right through that. It's really thick there on the corner of the pocket. And here I've got some more denim. It's about 5 or 6 layers. I think it's 6 layers of denim. I better flatten that out. There's 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 5. It's not so much with these machines will the needle drive through the fabric. It's more, will the fabric move, move through the machine without binding. These old all-metal Singers have plenty of power to push the needle through things. It's just, you got to be able to get it to move through the machine, otherwise it's no good. But yeah, that's a nice tight stitch on 5 layers of blue jean. It's Probably about 1/4 of an inch thick. I'll go back to the leather one more time. All right, that's it.